protect it. This Quran. لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله. If this Quran was revealed on a mountain, the mountain will crumble for the fear of Allah. The mountain will crumble. This is real, ya akhi. This is real. This is not stories. False stories. This is true. Allah speaks the truth. If this Quran was revealed on a mountain, the mountain will crumble. قال Hasan al-Basri رحمه الله. If that's the case of the mountain, how is it for our hearts? That we heard the Quran and we don't move, we don't tremble. How is it for our hearts? We don't cry. Hearts hard. This Quran should make us cry. This Quran should make us tremble. This Quran should be with us daily. In the morning when we get up, till the evening when we sleep. Quran, the speech of Allah. It's not any man's speech. This is speech of Allah.